cute. This is a whole bop. Ooh. A whole bop.
Soon as you tell me you want it, babe, you hit my line and I'm on the way. Cause you want my money, no question, babe. You do this shit with no question, babe. You in your bag and you flashing, babe. You do this shit with no effort, babe. Just hit me when you wanna leave, babe. I got that.
Hey, OhSo Fam. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Are you doing great? I have a show and tell video on this unit from IziWigs. I'll leave all their information in my description box. Please check them out because I'm absolutely in love with this wig. Spoiler alert. I'm showing you guys how my unit came packaged, and this is a wig that does not come with any combs, but they do have some in the packaging in case you want to insert some into your unit yourself. This unit is 20 inches, a 13x4 glueless cap construction, and it's 150% density. And I'll leave a coupon code down below for anyone interested. Hey you guys, so today I'm going to start the video off a little bit different. I already have this wig adhered to my head. I want to concentrate on the styling process for this video. And once again, this is IziWigs hair. I will leave all their information down below in my description box. And the color of this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a chestnut brown color, but let's get right into it. I tried to show you like the little short pieces. It came with a bang already because I think this would have been a bop without a bang. And you could still finesse it. You don't even have to wear it with a China bang, but I wanted to display the wig the way it was meant to be displayed. So I'm just going in and cutting some more hair to make the bang fuller. Because I can't with the little sparse China bangs. I really can't do it. So I'm going to cut it right here. If you're cutting bangs in a wig, you want to make sure that you start long. That way you can keep cutting it as short as you want without cutting it too short at first. So I like a long bang anyways. So I want to go in with my flat iron and see how this is looking. Ooh, hot. Now, your girl ain't gonna really be able to see, you know, with the bang this long. So I am gonna trim it and make it shorter. Now the bangs are really nice and full the way I like it. I don't know, this side looks a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna go in and try to shape this up a little bit. I'm using this edge control to lay down the flyaways since I don't have a wax stick. If you guys don't have a wax stick, that's a quick little hack for you. You can use edge control. It has to be like the waxy kind of edge control like this. It smells so good. This body wave texture is so gorgeous. I don't even know. I know I should probably curl it or straighten it, but you know how sometimes when something is in its natural state, it just looks so cute. So I don't really want to do much to this. I don't know. I do want to put it in a bun. I want to see how it looks with a headband. I'm not really getting my life with this one. Try on this navy blue one. Oh, that's so pretty. Excuse my bra, y'all. I'm in my little loungewear. This is so pretty. I feel like I should throw some loose curls in it. Really, really loose curls. Just so you guys can feel the whole vibe. Y'all let me know how you feel about this color. I think this color looks so good against my skin complexion. So let's throw a few loose curls in this wig. Even though I think it will be a bob straight. I'm gonna wear this wig for like probably 2 or 3 days. So if I have enough time, I will insert some footage of how I wear it throughout the time that I'm wearing it. So I'm gonna go in and throw some loose curls in it, and I know I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in a bun as well. Okay, so those curls took me all of like 4 or 5 minutes because I just did it any old kind of way, because the natural texture of this body wave wig is just so effortless to curl. And as you can tell, like, it's gonna hold a curl well. I didn't spray any holding spray on it or anything, and they falling just right. This wig is hitting. She's hitting. And I don't know, I like this switch up. I can't wait to show you guys some clips of how it's going to look when I pull it up in a actual, you know, bun. It's going to be so cute. I'll probably put it in a ponytail too. But I got to go take some pictures and stuff. So I'll do that a little bit later on, and I'll just insert that footage in this video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if you like this wig, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know your opinions down below in the comment section. Is this color giving? I feel like it's just giving. I'll make sure to try to insert like a clip of how it looks in the natural sunlight. So yes, thank you guys so much over at IziWigs for being patient with me. They got patience, y'all, and excellent customer service. So yes, thank you guys so much. I'll have all their information linked in my description box. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go take some pictures because she's feeling. She's feeling. I might have to even, you know how when you just need to FaceTime one of your little boo things or whatever? Like, baby, somebody needs to see this without a mask. Let me get my butt up out of here. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Trying to steal my shine.